cute little mini house. I'm super excited, so let's get opening. Oh, and also I'm really obsessed with cute small things because they're so cute. And also one more thing, come with me. I'm going to show you a cool thing in front of the house. You know, outside of the house. And so friends, as you can see the main door, I'm going to open it, but no, first you have to build a ring. Let's ring the bell, that's so cute. Oh, we even have some cute mail. Let's open the main door. This is so cute. Let's close it. Now, let's go at the back of the house. So friends, as you can see the back of the house, you can see the balcony door and the backyard door. So I think it can open. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. They open. And let's close them. The backyard door next. Oh, this is cute too. Okay, now, I'm super excited to watch it. Oh, what's this? Doghouse. That means there's going to be a cute doggy inside. I'm more excited than before, friends. It's going to be so cute. Are you excited? Make sure to give a big thumbs up. Okay, let's get opening first. Going to turn this. And as you can see, this hook, I'm just going to ding, open it. Da-da-da-da. Oh my gosh, you guys! This is cuter than I even imagined! Oh my gosh! Let's see the members, family members first, okay? So here we have our mommy, hello, and our daddy, hello, and our big sister, I guess, hello, and I think we have one more member, hello, the small sister, okay? Oh my gosh, friends, look, there's our little doggy, our Poofy. This is so cute. Come on, little munchkin. You must be Mr. Whiskers. This is so cute. And now, let's see the bedroom first. Oh, I think we would see the kitchen. Look, the kitchen is so cute, isn't it? Aww. It even has so many drawers. And oh my gosh, it even has a brick toaster. Toaster on it. And the stove, the sink. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Even an oven. Okay, that is so adorable. As I was speaking, the bedroom. Here we have the bed. Oh, this is so cute. It even has some hearts. And our lamp to brighten up the bedroom when it's dark out. So, some lamp. And next we're going to, oh, we even have a cupboard for our room. It also has a heart, and a mirror, and some, oh, this is so cute. Some designs. This is so cute, friends. And here we have a piano set. Oh, this is so adorable. Look, its sticker is also so realistic. And now, let's go to our drawing room. Here we have a TV set. And it has a sticker. And here we have our TV stand. Oh, it also has drawers that can open. Cupboards that can open. And here we have our large TV. And you can also see it also has a sticker and a radio and a bookshelf. That is so adorable. And here we have our couch. Look, it is so pink. Oh, I think we have one more furniture for our bedroom. This cute little dressing table. Oh, this drawer looks a little heavy. Let's see. Oh my gosh, we have gems inside. 6 of them actually. This is so cute. Aww. And oh, we even have a few kitchen items more. We have 4 chairs and a dining table. Look at the plates and forks. That's so tiny. And last but not least, the most important room in the whole house, the restroom. Of course. Here we have the whole restroom. The slippers, the towels, the sink, the mirror, the hand soap, even a mug with brushes inside, and of course the toilet. And here we have the bathtub. The hot water. Now, what we'll do is set the house. Okay. So first, I will do my bedroom. Here we have our bed. I'm going to put it here. Come on, guys, let's do this together. Okay. Our bedroom is going to be here. And our dressing table will be here. There we go. This is adorable. And now we'll have a cupboard just back of the bed. Okay, now our piano set, right? Yeah, and in front of the bed actually. This will be in front of the bed. There we go. Our bedroom. I think we are missing something. Oh my god, of course we are missing the lamp, which will brighten up. Now let's go to our drawing room. So first we will need our TV stand. large table will be right here. This one is here and this one here. There we go. Now we will need our couch. Here. Our couch would be right like that. Or like this. Okay, standing here. Now we will have our little puppy dog. And the dog is going to sit there on the TV set. Okay. Now we will add the kitchen to our house. The kitchen will be right here. And our fridge will be here. And now we will add our dining table right here. And our 4 little chairs. One here, and 2 more over here. Okay, our dining table is done. And now the important part, the restroom. The restroom will be here, and our bathtub over here. Okay, our house is done. Now let's call our family members. Hello. Oh, hi, Daddy. How are you? Do you like your new house? I love it, thank you. It is beautiful. Now, I just need to concern my wife. Hi, I love it too. This is just beautiful. I really love the kitchen, the dining table, the fridge, and the bedroom for our kids. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome, little parents. Now, let's call our little two sisters. Hi, hi. Do you like your house, little sisters? We love it, thank you. Do you love Sissy? I love it too, thank you. And that bed looks so cozy. And the dressing table is just perfect for my makeup. Okay, thank you for everything. And what's your name? Oh, my name is Rosalia. Oh, sorry, I just got carried away, friends. Okay, so what do you need to say to the audience? Oh, and also, my friends, tell something. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe to Engage. Oh, yeah, and make sure to hit the bell icon for more cute little videos just like this. Bye, everyone. Bye! Okay friends, just like they said, please make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more awesome and cute videos just like this. Now, let our family members stay. Mommy, I'm hungry. I'm going to sit on the dining table now. Okay. Oh, the family already got settled in the new house. Wow, this is so cute. Bye friends, Allah Hafiz, see you soon in my next video. Allah Hafiz.